Hey everyone, welcome back to M.Z Car Club. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Camper Truck Motorhome, a vehicle designed to redefine road trips and outdoor adventures. Let's take a closer look at its interior, exterior, pricing, safety features, performance, and overall features. Interior design. The 2025 Suzuki Camper Truck Motorhome offers a comfortable, home-like feel with its compact but functional interior. The cabin is designed for ultimate convenience, with cozy seating, clever storage solutions, and a modular layout that maximizes space. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, while the sleeping area features a comfortable bed, ensuring a great rest after a long day of exploring. The interior also boasts climate control, high-quality materials, and smart tech to enhance comfort and convenience. Exterior design. The exterior design is sleek and rugged, with a bold stance and a stylish front grille that gives the vehicle a powerful look. The compact size ensures easy maneuverability, while the large wheels and robust suspension system are perfect for off-road adventures. The camper body is well integrated, with solar panels on top and a roof rack for additional storage, making it the perfect vehicle for both urban streets and the great outdoors. Pricing. The 2025 Suzuki Camper Truck Motorhome is priced competitively in the camper vehicle market. Expect to see it around $45,000 to $55,000, depending on the configuration and options chosen. It offers great value considering its built-in features, off-road capability, and comfort. Safety. Safety is a priority for Suzuki, and this model includes advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. With its sturdy build and high ground clearance, it also offers excellent stability, making it safe for both city driving and off-road adventures. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Camper Truck Motorhome is powered by a 2.4 liters turbocharged engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. It offers 280 horsepower and excellent towing capacity, allowing you to bring along all your gear with ease. The all-wheel drive system ensures it performs well in diverse conditions, from highways to rugged trails. Overall features. Modular interior for flexible living and storage. Off-road capabilities with a solid suspension system. Smart technology including Wi-Fi connectivity and touchscreen displays. Eco-friendly solar panels and efficient power usage. Comfortable living space with built-in kitchen and sleeping areas. The 2025 Suzuki Camper Truck Motorhome is perfect for those who want to explore the open road without compromising comfort or convenience. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome has you covered. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.